You like this one too. I wrote the song for a female to sing, but I never quite picked anybody for it, so I just kept doing it. But I don't even know much about this one. I just can't remember. I remember one night I was sitting on my wife's bed. On my wife's bed. I say that now because I snore and I'm all fat and I sleep on the couch, so I don't wake her up. So I was in my wife's bed. But anyway, I was in our bedroom sitting on the bed, and our niece was in there, and I was just looking at her, and I wrote this little thing. And I don't even know how the song came out, but it ended up being about a couple of someone revisiting their college dorm campus, where their college dorm room house. You know, they had a little house. So it's loosely based on a true story, but not necessarily about me. But it's called Home. This house has never been so empty. A cold breeze is blowing through the chimney upon me, in me. Still see your faces in the fire glow. I sure wish we could stay, but this just ain't our home no more. Fill our souls with laughter and take it slow here on after. In my head, I really wanna go, but in my heart, I know there'll never be another place like home. I know there'll never be another place like home. I pull my coat around me tighter. I found some newspaper and a lighter. The fire's getting brighter. All those sleepless nights and jokes we told, things we held so dear. We were growing up and they were getting old. So fill my soul with laughter and take it slow here on after. In my head, I really wanna go. In my heart, I know there'll never be another place like home. I know there'll never be another place like home. The college days so far behind us. Between the three of us, one will always call back to remind us. To fill our souls with laughter and take it slow here on after. Don't be sad, go on and let it go, 'cause in your hearts, I know there'll never be another place like home. I know there'll never be another place like home. I know there'll never be another place like home. Thank you.